In the real world of manufacturing, speed is everything. Production lines run around the clock, demand never slows, and efficiency is the measure of success. But in this race to deliver, something vital is lost. The time to test is reduced, the space to trial is squeezed, and opportunities to innovate are left behind. That's where we come in. We are a global research and technology organisation, a platform where industry, academia, and government work side by side. Our role is to create the time and the space for ideas to be explored, tested, and proven without slowing down the pace of production. At the heart of this effort is our Global Centre of Excellence, a world first. It's more than a facility, it's an engine for progress, a place where disruptive technologies can be trialled under real-world conditions, where radical solutions are de-risked, and where the future of manufacturing is accelerated. Here, innovation isn't postponed, it's scaled. Here, industries like glass and foundation materials can trial new processes, test digital technologies, and through efficiency, sustainability, digitalization, resilient supply chains, advanced materials, and knowledge transfer, we bring ideas to life and deliver them at industrial scale. Every breakthrough matters, every partnership counts. We're shaping industries that are cleaner, smarter, and more resilient. And with each step forward, the future doesn't just wait to be imagined. The future comes into focus. This is where progress is measured not only by efficiency, but by lasting impact for people and planet. This is innovation. This is impact. This is possibility. Glass Futures, where ideas become industry.